Hey there, crypto enthusiasts. Welcome back to another straightforward guide on navigating the world of digital assets. Today, we're diving into how to withdraw USDT from Coinbase Wallet to your bank account in 2025. If you've got some USDT sitting in your Coinbase wallet and you're ready to cash it out, you're in the right place. This process is simpler than you might think, but always remember to double-check for any updates, as crypto rules can change. First things first, make sure you have a verified Coinbase account. You'll need to have USDT in your wallet and a linked bank account for this to work smoothly. Start by opening the Coinbase app or heading to the website on your computer. Log in with your credentials, and once you're in, navigate to your wallet section. Here, you'll see all your assets. Find and select USDT from the list. Next, look for the Withdraw or Send option. This might be under a menu or directly on the asset page. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to enter the amount of USDT you want to withdraw. Be mindful of any minimum withdrawal limits and transaction fees, which could vary based on your location and the current market conditions in 2025. Now, choose your destination. Select your linked bank account from the options provided. If you haven't linked one yet, you'll need to do that first. It's usually quick through the settings. Double-check the details to avoid any errors, then hit Confirm. You'll likely need to verify this step with two-factor authentication for security. After confirmation, sit tight. Withdrawals can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of days, depending on network congestion and your bank's processing time. Keep an eye on your email for confirmations and any potential issues. And that's it, you've successfully withdrawn your USDT to your bank account. Remember, crypto can be volatile, so always withdraw what you need and keep the rest secure. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more guides, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and stay savvy with your investments. See you in the next video.